I'm going to show you how to connect your phone camera to your computer with Irion webcam. On your iPhone, you download the Irion webcam and then click Let's Go. You can flip the camera like this. On your computer, you have to install Irion webcam. So this is the website. Webcam for Windows, webcam for Mac, and webcam for Ubuntu. Since I'm using Windows, webcam for Windows. Make sure you do the installation. Click yes. I do accept the terms and agreement. Click next, next, and install. Notice, make sure your phone and your computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Once the installation is complete, you click finish. And see, it detected the phone because you connected the same Wi-Fi. So this is how you hook up your iPhone camera, your any phone camera to your computer. Like and subscribe to my channel if the video is helpful. Or if you want, you could go to your camera app. Then change the camera to the Irion webcam.